Jet Edge is a leading manufacturer of ultra-high pressure Waterjet technology with a simple goal: to help our customers succeed. Machines are built in the USA in our 100,000 square foot factory. Jet Edge systems are used around the world in a broad range of industries, from the world's leading airlines to automotive, aerospace, industrial manufacturers, and machine job shops. Typical materials being cut include steel, aluminum, glass, rubber, plastics, food, and fabrics. Jet Edge systems are suited for heavy-duty, high-volume applications to help our customers solve their manufacturing challenges. We are one of the few Waterjet manufacturers willing to custom engineer solutions to satisfy specific cutting needs, making us the go-to Waterjet supplier for solving the world's toughest Waterjet problems. Jet Edge Waterjet cutter motion systems and ultra-high pressure pumps are built to run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. The Jet Edge system we are featuring today is Jet Edge's 610 high rail motion system. The motion system is integrated into the 100 horsepower intensifier pump controls, allowing remote operation of the pump on or off, as well as analog pressure control within the part program, and the ability to turn the pump off automatically at the end of the program. Our customer, who does foam packaging in the medical supplies industry, is looking for high-speed solutions to keep up with demand. This system incorporates 8 cutting heads mounted to a 6-foot spreader bar. The Jet Edge docking station automates the head positioning for setup, allowing all 8 cutting heads to be spaced automatically from the part program. The multi-head gantry increases cutting productivity as multiple parts are cut in one pass, but also saves valuable setup time over manual spacing and greatly improves the position accuracy of moving the cutting heads versus the operator manually moving them into position. This system shown allows you to space the cutting heads as close as a 4-inch minimum spacing between heads and up to a 16-inch maximum spacing. This can be modified for the application. A linear scale is used to determine the position of each head as it is moved into position, and then a pneumatic brake is applied to lock the cutting head into the desired position. Bellows between each cutting head keep the area clean of debris. The customer wanted to further increase machine productivity and has had us incorporate a load-unload system so material handling can be completed offline while the machine is still cutting parts. With the 2-cart system, you can be cutting on one cart while the other cart is being unloaded of finished parts and then reloaded with the next sheet of material to be processed. The carts have a lifting and position locking system to make sure that the carts are always positioned the same distance from the cutting head for repeatable accuracy. This system also allows you to cut material directly on the catcher tank when preferred. If non-stop grit, power, and hard work sound like something that could bring your application the edge it needs, it's time to get in touch with Jet Edge. We welcome you to contact us or visit our St. Michael, Minnesota facility to explore a Jet Edge solution for your application's cutting challenges.